It's an ambush!
Pew, 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 pew!
Ambush noises!
Pew, pew, pew!
We're standing in front of Splash Mountain, and as you can see, the scrim is up and the scaffolding is also up. So they're on their, what's now going to be, I guess, their annual refurbishment break until, what did I read? Maybe the end of February or March. Guess we don't get to ride that. On to our next Fast Pass. Thunder Mountain Railroad. That one is not closed for refurbishment. Well, we've got some time to kill before our Fast Pass for the Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. So, can you guess where we are right now? Good old standby.
Classic.
It's one of those ones, if they ever get rid of it, there will be riots.
She ain't burning, but I ain't too. The things we like and the things we do.
All the guys turn me on, turn me down.
And the great big piles of blood on the ground.
Tiny Crockett, king of the wild frontier.
We're standing in line for the Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, and we have a Fast Pass, but this is the Fast Pass line.
Out is right in the wilderness.
There's always that last one.
The worst. Woo! That was the wilderness right in the wilderness.
Oh my goodness, that was crazy. It worked up an appetite, so now we can go to eat and quench that appetite at where?
The Skipper Canteen.
Which is right over there. We are at the Skipper Canteen and we're gonna have dinner here. First time we've ever been to this restaurant before. Kind of nervous because what if it's not good? What if it's great? And then I want to come back. We're all checked in at the Skipper Canteen. They are gonna text us whenever they're ready for us to come in. So we're just gonna chill out in the little gazebo area. Listen to some island music.
And the third one's all the way right by your guys' table.
Good restaurant.
Brazilian cheese bread. This was the pad thai noodles, and I had them omit the tofu and just add chicken. It's got some kick to it. My nose is redding. He made sure that I was okay with spicy. My lips are burning a little bit. It's really good.
Now I got the Dr. Falls signature. Dr. Falls. You'll get the joke if you've been on the ride. Dr. Falls signature grilled steak. I asked, and it is a 10-ounce steak. Let me talk about the steak. Earlier today, we were at Epcot Center. This child used the phrase, "It's like eating a sunset." This, OMG, is like the best steak I've had in a long time. Hey, you don't need to put any sauce on it. Whatever they cooked it in and seasoned it with, oh my gosh, it is so good.
Is it cooked correctly?
It is cooked correctly. I did not have to say anything. If we ever come back here, I'm so coming back here for this because it's so good. We just left the Skipper Canteen where we had dinner. We saw that since the fireworks were going on, that the wait line for the Jungle Cruise, coincidentally, is run by the same company, Jungle Cruise Company Unlimited. Jungle Cruise only had a 20-minute wait, so we were like, why not? It's right across the way. Fireworks going on means wait lines are lower. You'll know when the fireworks have officially ended because this queue line right here is going to have 50,000 people in it in about 5 minutes. I bet it'll be full. She bets it'll be the same as it is now.
I don't have more people, but it won't be full.
We'll find out.
The wait time's going to go from 20 minutes to about 45, 50 minutes.
I think it's going to be over 60 minutes when we get off the ride. Because if you notice behind me here, all the people walking by that are now finished watching the fireworks.
If I'm right, you have to buy me a Dole Whip.
And if I'm
You're right, you have to buy me a Dole Whip.
So I was wrong.
I was right.
I said that it was going to be 60 minutes. You said
45 or 50.
although we waited another couple minutes, we'll be at 60.
No.
Because it's at 55 now. It's switched.
No.
It's switched.
No,
It's
he
switched.
said by the time we got off the ride, we've already been standing here for like 3 minutes.
Fine.
Now he has to buy me a Dole Whip.
I was gonna buy a Dole Whip anyway.
Well, yeah.
We heard a joke we've never heard before on the Jungle Cruise. We're going the best part where the things are ambushing you, and she goes, "Oh no, it's an ambush!
Pew, 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 pew.
Ambush noises! Pew, pew, pew!" All right, I think we're done in Adventureland for the night, and we now have a fast pass for
Winnie the Pooh.
Pooh.
Winnie the Pooh.
So we're taking a shortcut across the hub. What time is it right now?
9:10.
Oh yeah, we might end up finishing the night over here. We got on the trolley. It's the double-decker trolley. So we're sitting up on top of here, right in the front. We've never ridden this before. Something new. So we're gonna ride to the front of Main Street, and then we're gonna get up and walk right back. I see the castle way back there.
Ladies and gentlemen, just like that, I just shaved my head off.
It's not for large people.
That is a thin staircase.
Yeah. How many of you guys?
Climb up that like a ladder. Well, we took the double-decker trolley all the way down Main Street from the castle, and now we're walking back up Main Street through the crowd to get to our Winnie the Pooh Fast Pass.
We're very much going against traffic.
We really are, because I think everybody's leaving, not realizing this place doesn't close till 11. But each to their own, I guess. We finally made it to Winnie the Pooh's Wild Ride. That's a ficus fence.